Hello everyone and welcome to the another new stock analysis video, and we are going to study simple tools and analyze one particular stock, and the stock name is SBI, State Bank of India. We will do simple study and I will show you something further advanced also. So let's start with analysis part. This is SBI daily timeframe spot price chart, and we have seen a good rally from the month of October, and the stock is almost trended. Here is a very good rally. Then it is perpendicular rally, very sharp, and then we have seen a good gap up opening here. So basically, this was the area of breakout here. This is the area. Some kind of hurdle was facing SBI, but gap up opening, and we have seen a good breakout. But since the time of breakout, the stock is not going upside, but it is trying to take the feel the gap. So it's trying to fill the gap here. So that's a very important area, because in uptrend gap will always work as a support zone. Now exactly at this lower level of this gap where it started here, the stock is trying to take support here by showing multiple of bullish and reversal candlesticks patterns here. So that's the main eye catching here. We have seen a spinning candle here, one more bullish candle along with a good volumes, then one more neutral candle. So kind of since 4 to 5 trading sessions, we have seen a stock is into the range, a very small box range near to the important area of gap. The trend is already uptrend. This moving average slope is showing us a very good trend. Here is also a support of moving average combines with the gap area support. So two conjunctions are there. And if I can see here, this is the area of breakout. So here is also the now stock is trying to take support near the area of previous breakout. Also here is a swing breakout here and swing breakout here with along with a single gap. So this gap is already also acting as a support, and the previous resistance now acting as a support zone, the third confirmation of support. So this is the way you can simply analyze with the help of only horizontal support lines. If you wish to know and learn about more about the support and resistance, how to mark, I have designed a basic technical analysis course. You will find the link in the description box. There is one launching offer is going on till 31st March. So you can also avail discount by using the coupon codes. You can find into the description box. So now let's check where it's try to move. So basically we have seen a good down move. Okay, and after this move, the stock price from this point to this point is declining, and the volumes are also from this to this declining. So it's a category of fourth. Who have opted the training course, I have explained volume analysis in detail. This is the fourth category. Okay, so yes, we can simply say this is the area. This is the move which is not that much powerful because of less activity in volumes. Some kind of bullish candlestick appears with the good volumes on the same day. That's a confirmation here. Okay. So simple analysis by drawing the trend line. If I can draw the trend line like this, the breakout of this trend line will assume that the trend, this downtrend will get over if this breakout appears. So nice risk to reward ratio here. Okay. And one more thing I will show you, which is slightly further advanced. Let me remove all the lines here, and let me convert to the monthly time frame. So here it is. It has given a good breakout of all-time high breakout here, which is around the July 2019, and it has a good breakout. So previous breakout level, now stock is at the same level and showing a very important shadow on a lower side. So that's a very nice sign and demand area we have seen here in SBI on a monthly time frame, which is slightly advanced. Okay, because the previous breakout level now as will act as a support, a CIP we called it, and we will see further confirmation because the month is not over yet. The March month, this is the March month candle. Previous one is the February, which has given a good breakout. So after a big move, it is slightly consolidating in a range. So that's a very nice sign for SBI. And you can simply draw the trend line which I have drawn here from this point to this point, and breakout of this trend line will confirm this trend is over and changed. Okay. So further we can expect a good move. If the trend line is giving us a breakout, then we will see a good upside momentum in next couple of days. So my possible this kind of move we will see, and this will be the area of resistance for this particular stock. So this is a probable move. So by looking at this simple analysis, and if I can further add with the momentum oscillator RSI, which is very slightly advanced way to analyze market, and it's now near to the important area of conjunction near RSI 40. So that's again very good confirmation in the SBI chart. Okay, so I hope you like the way we analyze this stock. Please hit the like button and do subscribe this channel, and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.